Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the best, most practical home essentials. Today, we're showcasing what we believe is the best dining room table protector pad available online, the Tablecloths by Design Quality Table Pad Protector. If you're tired of scratches, spills, heat damage, or just general wear and tear on your tables, you're going to want to stick around for this. Let's start with what makes this product so special. At first glance, it might seem like just another tablecloth, but this protector packs serious functionality. It's made from 100% soft vinyl on top and features a 100% polyester flannel backing underneath. This combination delivers both toughness and softness, a waterproof barrier above and a cushion below that protects your table's surface from dents and scratches. And it's not just for dining. Whether it's your wooden dinner table, your glass patio table, or even your marble-top kitchen island, this protector fits the bill. It works beautifully on a wide range of surfaces, and thanks to the non-slip backing, it stays firmly in place. The padded vinyl offers an impenetrable shield against life's messes, all without compromising the style or feel of your table. Even better, it's BPA-free and made in the USA. That means no nasty chemicals, no heavy metals, just a clean, family-safe product you can trust. It's even a safe option for your little one's mealtimes or art projects. Let's talk convenience. This protector is incredibly easy to clean, just a quick wipe and it looks good as new. Use it while prepping food, baking, hosting guests, or during the holidays when you want to preserve your nice wood finish underneath. This product comes in multiple sizes, both round and rectangular. And yes, it's fully customizable. Just cut it down to size and you're good to go. There are 6 size options to choose from, ranging from 52 inches round all the way up to 140 inches long. So whether you've got a compact kitchen table or a long banquet-style dining table, you'll find a size that fits. It's that versatile. When you factor in its durability, ease of use, and protective features, this product becomes a no-brainer. It's not just a table cover. It's an investment in keeping your furniture looking brand new for years to come. So, if you're ready to protect your table the smart way, check out the Tablecloths by Design Table Pad Protector. For more no-nonsense product reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to Product Critique. We break down the best, so you can buy with confidence. See you in the next one.